guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 4 fall drink recipes with you guys. And the great thing about these recipes is that they are all sugar-free and they're weight loss friendly. So I've personally been enjoying these drinks throughout the fall this year, and I thought, why not make a video and share them with you guys? So of course, the recipes will all be listed down below in the description. So if you miss anything in the video, don't worry, just refer to the description box down below. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright you guys, so the first recipe is a pumpkin spice latte. So in a pot, I'm going in with a 1/4 cup of water, 1 full cup of skim milk or non-fat milk. I'm going to be going ahead in with this Nescafe Gold espresso. I'm going to be putting in 2 teaspoons. Next, I'm going to be putting in a splash of vanilla extract, so about 1/2 teaspoon. I'm going to be putting in 3 of the whole earth stevia. So pretty much the stevia and the vanilla extract is replacing sugar-free vanilla. You can use sugar-free vanilla syrup if you'd like. I just don't have any in the house right now, but this is a great alternative. And of course, our special secret ingredient, pumpkin puree. So I'm going to be putting in 3 full tablespoons of this puree into the mixture. And then I'm going to go ahead in with my whisk and just whisk this all together. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this onto my stovetop and I'm going to heat this up and let it come to a boil, and then it should be ready. So I'm just going to keep stirring this and let this mixture come to a boil. So you can see that it's come to a nice boil. So now I'm just going to turn this off. And our latte is all done. Now we're gonna go ahead and just quickly make the whipped cream topping, and then I will show you guys the final results. Alright, so we're going to be making the whipped cream now. So to do so, I'm going in with the 35% whipping cream. I'm going to be going ahead in with just a 1/4 cup, and I'm going to pop that in here. Next, I'm going in with the Swerve, the ultimate sugar replacement. This is the powdered sugar, which is perfect for making whipped cream. So the great thing about this specific sugar is that it is 0 calories, and of course it's not actual sugar, so it's great for weight loss. So I'm going to go ahead in with about a 1/4 teaspoon of this. Pop that in, and then I'm going to just go ahead in and whip this up. And just like that, within minutes, you have whipped cream ready. Oh gosh, you guys, just be a little careful when you're putting in the whipped cream. And the last thing is to go in with some of this pumpkin pie seasoning. And that's pretty much it, you guys. This is my homemade, sugar-free, weight loss friendly pumpkin spice latte. So next we're making the pumpkin cream cold brew. So to start, I'm going in with some ice. I'm going in with 1 cup of this cold brew coffee that I found at the grocery store. I'm going to go in with 1/2 teaspoon of this vanilla extract. And I'm going to go ahead in with 3 of the whole earth stevia. Give this a nice stir. Right, so the coffee part is ready. Now we're going to make the cold foam. So I'm starting off with 35% whipping cream. I'm going in with 1/2 cup. So next I'm going in with 1/2 teaspoon of this Swerve powdered sugar. I'm I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of this pumpkin pie seasoning. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and whip this up. So the trick here is I'm not trying to make it super thick. I'm only going to kind of just get it to be a little bit more thicker than it already is, and then we're going to fold in some pumpkin puree. So you guys, the thickness of the whipped cream is not that thick. You can see it's still quite runny. It's runny, but it does have a little bit more of a whipped cream consistency. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to whip this for just about another 20 seconds or so, and then I'm going to mix in some pumpkin puree. Alright you guys, so that is the consistency. It's still quite runny, but it's definitely a lot thicker. So now I'm going to go in with some pumpkin puree. I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons. And then just going in with a spoon, I'm going to just mix this up. And there you have it, the beautiful pumpkin cream cold brew topping. And the last thing you want to do is sprinkle on some of the pumpkin pie seasoning. And there you have it, you guys, a homemade sugar-free pumpkin cream cold brew. So next we're going to be making a dirty chai latte. So I'm going in with a 1/4 cup of water, 1 full cup of skim milk or non-fat milk. I'm going in with 1½ teaspoons of this Nescafe Gold espresso. And next I'm going in with a chai tea bag. And then I'm going in with some whole earth sweetener. I'm going in with 3 packs. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a quick stir. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this to my stove and I'm going to let this come to a boil just like the pumpkin spice latte, and then we will move on to the next step. So in this case, I'm not using my whisk and I'm just using a spoon because I don't want the whisk to break the tea bag. So you can just use any spoon of your choice, and you want to keep on stirring this and you want to let this come to a boil. So you can see that the drink has come to a boil. So now I'm just going to turn the stove off and it is ready. Alright you guys, so I have about 2 ounces of hot skim milk here, and I'm just going to go ahead and froth it.
Ryan Little.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle on some cinnamon. And there you have it, guys. This is my sugar-free dirty chai latte. All right, you guys, so the very last drink we are making is a brown sugar cinnamon latte. So I'm starting off by going ahead in with 1 cup of skim milk. I'm also going in with a 1/4 cup of water. Next, I'm going in with 2 teaspoons of the Nescafe Gold espresso. And next I'm going ahead in with 3 tablespoons of this Torani sugar-free brown sugar cinnamon syrup. Then I'm just gonna give this a nice stir. And what I'm going to do is take this onto my stovetop once again and let this come to a boil. So it's come to a boil. Now I'm just gonna turn the stove off and it is all done. So I have about 2 ounces of hot skim milk once again, and I'm going to go ahead in and froth it. And there you go, I have my frothed milk ready. And the last thing I'm going to do is sprinkle on some coconut sugar. So this is optional. Obviously this is going to make it not be sugar-free. You can always go ahead in with some cinnamon or some actual brown sugar. But I just love how the coconut sugar tastes on top of this drink. So I'm just gonna go ahead in and sprinkle some on top. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That's how I like to make my sugar-free brown sugar cinnamon latte. Alright, you guys, so that is pretty much it for the fall drinks video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you guys try out any of my recipes and let me know which one was your favorite drink. So again, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!